think somebody's calling me.
You do?
Yep. But it's good, so I'm not going to answer it. Because chances are it's a telemarketer. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Where'd he go?
Woods.
That one went far.
Yes, it did. Hey.
Keep cord. Just hold it. Sorry. Cannon!
Yeah, aim down the barrel.
Okay. Record the little doggy.
What, did nothing fire? Would you get away?
We have here David Bowie.
I'm not David Bowie!
David Bowie is attempting to fire the very dangerous potato cannon. See if he gets tased.
I'm not fucking David Bowie.
And if you are,